Namaskar. I am delighted to be participating in the celebration of World Culture Day 2021 being held by the Swami Vivekananda Cultural Center in Sao Paulo. This is a great initiative and I am especially delighted because this event is happening in Brazil, one of my favorite countries in the world and a close friend and partner of India. But most important, because we are both large multicultural and diverse countries with a very long history of a strong and large cultural heritage. So it's very important that on this day, on World Culture Day, both our countries are getting together to celebrate it in a big way. And especially today, when the world is reeling under the effects of the COVID-19 pandemic, we have understood the value of culture. People say, what is culture? Culture defines who we are and what we aspire to be, our habits, our way of living, the way we do things around us. And what is most important? Culture is that essence which separates us from animals, which separates us from being completely lost in nature. And during this time of COVID-19, when we are all cooped at home and having to quarantine ourselves, we understand how important culture is in our world. But it's not just culture, because culture is part of what we grew up in. What is important in the world is the diversity of culture. In fact, today is not just World Culture Day, it is World Culture Diversity Day. And this is important because the world has an amazing diversity of culture. And this amazing diversity of culture is what we are celebrating and what we need to celebrate all the time. And culture, if we are not careful, will fade away, will deteriorate. And when does it fade away and deteriorate? When it becomes stagnant. Like any pond or pool, unless the water flows, the water becomes stagnant and it becomes putrid. Culture similarly will fade away if it is stagnant. And it is so the best way of preserving culture is in sharing culture, is in getting people across the world to share things. By sharing, we not only give a boost to our own culture, but we also learn to look at the world through the eyes of other people, other societies. We see how the world sees us and we see the world with a different viewpoint. This is how we bring people together. And for that, we need to have more collaborations, more joint productions, more joint performances by musicians, by dancers, by artists, by theatre people, by all that are involved in the cultural field. And this collaboration, these joint performances, these joint productions will not only help us in understanding the amazing diversity of the world, but will also open up new vistas, new genres, new way of looking at music, new paths that we follow in doing culture, new avenues of culture. All these things will open up. Suddenly you will have flamenco dance and Kathak dance. You will have Latino music and Indian music. You have Latin American art and Indian art. You have a different efflorescence of culture that will take place around the world. Because this is important, because what kind of a world are we looking at after the pandemic is over? When the pandemic is over, and right now we are all trying to protect ourselves, save ourselves. But when the pandemic is over, what kind of a world are we looking for? An aggressive, combative world where everybody is fighting with each other, or a world full of laughter, joy, happiness and color that only culture can bring, and culture through collaboration with countries across the world. We in the Indian Council of Cultural Relations have always celebrated the World Culture Diversity Day through different ways. In the last few years, we have set up the Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyaya lecture series, which looks at different aspects of the soft power of India, of the cultural heritage of India. We have addressed issues of Sanskrit, of Ayurveda, of yoga, of music, dance, etc. And this year on World Culture Day, we are looking at cuisine. Cuisine is something which pervades every society. And India is a home to 1 million kitchens. There are 1 million kitchens, we talk about billion kitchens, you name it. Every household has a different way of doing things. There is a variety and depth in Indian cuisine which is amazing. And this we want to bring it out. And I can say with pride today that probably there is no cuisine in the world which is as varied, as diverse and as global in its presence as Indian cuisine. And we in ICCR are planning to take these values, this strength of our cuisine, these flavors of the Indian cuisine across the world. We have a lot of plans in mind. If you watch the webinar, you will see what all is happening. There will be a discussion in this webinar entitled Insights into Indian Cuisine, and we will be discussing various aspects of Indian cuisine and also what we are going to do in the future. Viewers in Brazil and viewers across the world will be able to watch it later after this show, and we will give you all the indications of where to watch it. But before I finish, I would like to wish the Swami Vivekananda Cultural Center in Sao Paulo all the best in the celebrations of World Culture Day. This is an important occasion, and I wish all participants good wishes, and I hope that all of us are able to see and enjoy these diversity of the culture of India and Brazil. They are going to show you a small glimpse of what this cultural diversity is. I wish all success to these celebrations, and good night. Namaskar.